Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the way I winterize my boat engine. First, I'm going to tap the fuel tank, add some fuel stabilizer. You might want to run it for a few minutes. Make sure the stabilizer go through all the fuel lines. I don't really have to do that because I use fuel stabilizer all season long. And then I'm going to change the out-dry oil. I'm going to clamp the hose coming from the reservoir. Just want to make sure there's no water intrusion in the out-dry. I already changed the engine oil and filter. Once that's done, I'm going to go and remove the props. I'm going to inspect the shaft, make sure there's no fishing line or anything in there. Now I like to use this jug that I got from Walmart. It holds up to 7 gallons. And then I made a special connector with PVC, 3/4 inch PVC pipe. So I have fresh water coming in. I'll let the engine run for a few minutes. Once the thermostat open up, I'll close the main valve, and then I'll open the one from the antifreeze. At this point, we should start seeing the antifreeze coming out. And we're down to about 2 gallons left on the antifreeze. So at this point, I'm going to go up there and start fogging the engine until it completely dies. My final step is I'm going to remove all the drain plugs. And then one more thing you want to do is get a shop vac and remove all the water from the birch. And also you have 2 plugs on the black, one on each side. Don't forget to remove those because you will be surprised how much water are on these blacks. You see that? It had to be over 1 gallon of water in that black. And that's pretty much it. Simple and easy. Thanks for watching, guys.